Kingwear joins the ranks of transflective screen technology in this brand new FS08 fitness watch with these 3 different watch faces, with the ability to do a live compass that, by the way, will stay on after the screen goes off, so you can see it in bright sunlight outside, just like that. You've got a stopwatch, a barometric pressure gauge that shows you your distance in meters that you've climbed or descended, heart rate monitor, which, when it's active, will keep the screen lit up and stay live. You've got sleep information from last night's sleep, as well as step count, all in this fitness watch that includes notifications and a robust walking, cycling, running, climbing, GPS built-in fitness center with real live results that you can analyze on your watch or in the app. It's a really sophisticated device that has an entire app drawer where you can set alarms, calendars, calculators, and more. Check it out, the FS08 from Kingwear.